Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, January the 30th, 2021. We have two Sudokus left, a tectonic one and a binary one. But first, I will solve this binary. I will solve this baby. Number 2253. 2253. All right. So, what kind of binary is this one? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Then double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. 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 We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between two 1's comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 3 1's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's. If I place number 4, the 4th O here, then we have 3 1's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be this should be a 1. If I place the number 4 here, the 4th O, then we still have 3 1's in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright, between two 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two 1's comes an O. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Yes, completed in 4 minutes. And I like this binary. Yes, without comparing. So I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of this weekend. It will be a tectonic one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.